Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the damaged housing of an Infinix Smart 8 smartphone step by step. If you're interested in the mobile phone repair or want to learn how to replace a phone housing properly, this video is for you. I hope this simple tutorial helps you learn something new and improves your repair skills. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more mobile repair tutorials. Now let's get started. First remove the SIM tray, then carefully remove the back panel. Next remove all the screws. Carefully remove the flashlight module and the power button flex cable, then transfer them to the new middle frame. Make sure all the screws are reinstalled properly. The repair is complete. The phone looks like new again. That's how to replace a cell phone housing. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.